Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MLA format on Word. First, let's set up your document. Ensure all four margins are set to 1 inch. Next, select a clear, readable font such as Times New Roman with a size of 12 point. Remember to double-space your entire paper for consistent readability. Finally, create a running header in the top right corner, including your last name and the page number. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for your paper. Now let's tackle the Works Cited page, a crucial part of your MLA paper. This section should always begin on a brand new page at the very end of your document. Center the title Works Cited at the top of this page. Each entry must be alphabetized by the author's last name. Also, apply a hanging indent to every entry, meaning the first line is flush left, and subsequent lines are indented by 1/2 inch. This ensures clarity and proper attribution. Next, let's master in-text citations, which guide your reader to your sources. Typically, you'll include the author's last name and the relevant page number in parentheses. Always place this parenthetical citation before the final punctuation mark of the sentence. If you mention the author's name directly within your sentence, simply include the page number in the parentheses. For sources lacking an author, use a shortened version of the title. This keeps your paper clear and credible. Finally, let's ensure your first page and header are perfectly formatted. On the top left of your first page, list your full name, your instructor's name, the course title, and the submission date, each on its own line. Double-space this entire block of information. Below this, center your paper's title. Remember, MLA style does not require a separate title page. All necessary identifying information goes directly on the first page. This simple setup is standard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.